Hey guys, welcome back to Cutie Slime's Creation. Today we are going to be making the Ramen Kracie Popin Cookin kit. So I did another the takoyaki kit, and I will link it in the iCards here. So basically, we have the ramen kit today. So go check that out for more info on the English recipe here, because these are all Japanese and I can't read Japanese. So there is a website, and I'll also link it down below in the description box. So yeah, I'll link it in the iCards, and make sure you go watch that video for a full instruction on how to get there. So today this ramen kit it says on the website that the ramen is soda flavored and dumplings are soda and cola flavored. So yeah, let's get started. The first step is just to cut open this thing. This kit comes with these. So this is the ramen pack, I suppose, because it says right here. And then I think this is the soup pack. Yeah. And this is probably the filling of the dumpling. And this is the plastic bag that you're supposed to make your noodles and your dumpling out of. This is the candy clay, kind of, to make your dumplings. And then it comes with a fork and a toothpick right here. So now we're just gonna cut this up into separate trays. So yeah. Okay, so this is what we're gonna fold our dumplings. So yeah, I'm probably gonna cut that more so we can fold it. And so this is our mold for our egg and whatever this is. This is the star tray, and it's probably for mixing. I'm supposing this is the soup, which is the music note plate. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut this up more. So now we're done with it. We could fold like this to make the dumplings, and we're gonna make the dumplings right now. So for the dumpling and the egg, and I found out this is supposed to be called Naruto, I think, but I'm not sure. So basically, for the dumplings, you will need the filling, the mold, the clay candy, and to put the dumplings like that, and your piece of paper, which is going to be your guide to these, to put the candy on. So yeah, we're just gonna start making this, and be sure to wash your hands because you're supposed to mold it. And this candy really smells like cola, so they're supposed to put 2 here first, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna split this into half so we can make 2 dumplings. About half. Now that we got our dumpling mold here, I don't really like the feeling of it because it is like gum and really sticky. So now we're just going to put it on this mold here. Line it up on this mold that we have, and then even it out a little. And then we're gonna put the filling inside. So we're gonna do that for both of them. This is enough for, I think, 1, and we're just going to fold this and press it against each other so it fills. So this is my dumpling. I pressed a little too hard, so it's kind of has holes, but I guess this is good enough. So we're gonna put our dumplings there. This one turned a little better than the last one. I didn't really even it out, so yeah, that's why. Now we're just going to get on to making the ramen. So let's go. These are the ingredients you'll be needing for the ramen. So for the soup, which is the yellow pack right here, we are going to use the music note tray, and you could see that there's a line right here. That's where you fill the water up. So make sure to use drinking water because it does not require microwaving. So yeah, to this line right there. Now basically you just pour the packet in, the yellow pack in. To mix until the soup mix dissolves. So it has dissolved and I'm gonna try a little. It tastes really sweet, like great. So now we're just going to put this aside. And for the star tray, you could see here, we're going to make the noodle. There's a line. Oh, you can't see. There's a line right there. That's where we fill the water up to. You just pour the noodle pack in. We're just going to mix. So once you're done mixing, it should look like this consistency. Not really liquidy. Okay. So now it says to put it in, take your toothpick right here and poke a small hole, like right here, that arrow. Poke a small hole. That will be it. And if it's too small, then like the noodle will be like drops, so make sure it's big enough, but not too big. Okay. Gonna poke the whole stick through to make sure it's big enough. And now we're just going to pour this mixture into this plastic bag. Oh, that should be about it. And then we're just going to fold back this and then make sure it's all the way up and then squeeze. See if the hole is too small, it will just come out as like string, so we're just going to poke it large enough for it to come out. Okay, so this will be about enough, and if we have more, then I'll just put it back in. For the Naruto and the egg, we're just going to put our little mold, leftover candy molds in it. So I was wrong. You just press it over and there's a hole. So then you just take it out and there's going to be a hole for the noodle mixture. This is how this turned out. This one turned out. So now we're just going to squeeze the noodle mixture over it, on it. Like right there. People do this. This kit is like really hard. Basically like this, and so we have some leftover noodle mixture, so we're just gonna put more as noodles in there. So it's like overflowing, so you could see that if it overflows, it doesn't become noodle. So that will be our noodle. These are our noodles. So you could see that I made a mistake not putting these in the water, so it became chunks. So yeah, basically this is our noodles, and we're just going to put the egg and the Naruto on it, like on it. So that is our noodles, and here are our dumplings, and this got hair on it. I don't know why. So I don't think this looks like the kit. Wait, let me adjust this a little bit so you can see both of it, but I don't think mine looks like that. Now we're gonna taste test it. So first, the noodles. Oh my god, this is super sweet. Now we're gonna try the Naruto. What, the dumpling's super sweet? The dumplings are like gum. Here's the dumpling. So, the filling is really sour. So yeah, this kit was really messy for me. For people who love sweet, this is the one for you. So yeah, now thank you for watching, and see you guys next time. Bye.